Welcome back YouTube for another video from TDL DIY. So as you can probably see behind me, my garage is super messy. Anyways, besides that, what I'm doing is an update video of showing you all the projects I got going on and just giving a quick update and the status what each project is kind of doing. So just follow along and I'll be giving you an update as we go along. So our first one is this guy right here. So the motor is no good. Some of the magnets have fell off. So what we're just waiting on, I ordered a new motor from eBay, I believe. Just waiting for that to come in. That should be coming in roughly January 9th to 15th. Also, I ordered a new set of keys for this, which will come around the 15th to the end of January. So basically, main thing, I'm waiting for that motor so I can start putting most of it back together. I do have some tires for this, don't worry. I'll have to get the tires mounted on these rims, so that will be taken care of. So main thing is we're just waiting for that. We have the body over here, and like I said, we don't have any keys, so I'm going to be putting in some new ignition. Pretty much that's this. We got some broken plastic here. I might be fixing that up, but the main goal is to get this back together looking half decent and hopefully sent off. Somebody will buy it, hopefully. Again, a lot of work's gone in this one, some paint. Let's move on. So this is the other ATV I got going on. The motor's out. The motor's right here. We're going to do some troubleshooting on this. Basically, double checking the timing, make sure that's good, and double checking our valve clearances. That's the main thing on this one. We believe it's going to start. It turns over, sounding pretty good. And then we're going to put it back in the ATV and see if it starts. At this point, if it starts, that's great. Then we'll probably troubleshoot some of the wiring if there's any wiring issues. Cool. So this one might be a little bit longer project, but this is kind of on the back burner right now. Going to be jumping in this motor here pretty soon, but this whole completion of this project will probably take longer, and I'll probably push off to the side a little bit. Again, we have a lot of the parts. We got keys for this one, just one set. That's fine. And what else we got going on? All right, so over here I'm going to probably sand this down and give it a coat of paint. We're going to do some black. Don't worry, this is not the paint I'm going to be using. I got some high tempered paint for this, so the exhaust should be fine. All right, so everybody knows I just picked up this motor the other day, 25 bucks. The people I bought it from said it doesn't start. Cool. So when I went there, I gave it a quick pull. I might have to restring this, the pull cord, but I'm going to troubleshoot, look at spark plug. We're going to look at, obviously, as they said, it hasn't run for about a year or two. So we're going to probably check the fuel, put some new fuel in. We're going to check air filter and probably the carburetor. Those are the big things, and that one should be running hopefully pretty soon. So keep watching. So this one over here, snowblower. What's going on over here? Basically, a quick little preview because I haven't got to it yet. But this rock, before I broke it, was stuck in behind one of these blades. This one runs freely currently because I've taken it out, taken the bolt out, the shear pin, which did not shear off on that side. The shear pin or bolt is not on this side. I suspect part of it's in there and it's probably caught up. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull that out, take a look. I got some different shear pins that are not for this make of snowblower, but Possibly going to try 2 different styles that may work better or roughly the same. But stay tuned for that video. I'm going to be jumping in this one probably within a little bit. You might not see this video for a couple weeks because I got a whole bunch of videos on YouTube just waiting to be released. I've spent a lot of time this past week or so really editing my videos. So you know, I'm a new YouTuber, so don't be too critical on my YouTube videos, but I'm getting better. I got to get some new software. I got some stands and stuff for my GoPro to film, so I am excited to push new content out. We got four things going on. Oh, and the couch. This is just kind of a side thing. I may post that, I may not. We'll see how that one turns out. But I got 4 or 5 projects on the go. My garage is super messy, but I got content. So I can't wait to get these videos out to you guys and just show my support. And thank you for all your support for watching my videos and hitting that subscribe button, hitting the bell for any notifications on new videos coming out, and just being there watching and sharing. Thanks guys, this is my quick little update of all the projects I got going on, and stay tuned for more content. Thanks guys, and keep watching.